have customer attention for just one moment. We're the BDS movement, the boycott movement, divest and sanction. We're here to remove Israeli products off the shelves. Before we were removing products that were clearly marked made in Israel. These are made in Israel, but they are not marked, in clear breach of European Union law, in order that people will buy these not knowing that they are made in Israel. The IDF have blocked all humanitarian aid. This company pays the Israeli government to bomb, to shoot, to burn people alive, because the profit from these goes directly to the Israeli economy, and the Israeli government are murdering the Palestinian people. And so we would ask all customers, please do not buy any goods made in Israel.